Yes sir. Just installed my new intake system by Engine. I highly recommend you guys to get this. It comes with dry filters, but I recommend getting the oil filters. You might gain an extra between 5 and 10 horses. The installation was very simple. No headaches. None at all. But you have to relocate your temp sensor from here all the way over here. You can cut the zip ties and re-zip them back. The engineering behind this is superb. It looks like 290 degrees, but it looks like one big swoosh. I love the hose clamp is very quality. And the couplers. I had the banks. I had to get rid of it. Causing too much turbulence. You definitely need to get separate air ducts to save your turbos. I had to change stock turbos at least 3 times on the driver's side. And when I installed the stage 4, it was giving me turbulence. So I had to get rid of the banks. No twin turbo needs to share an air filter. That is so ridiculous. I think, I'm going to say a disclaimer, but I believe that the engineers for Ford kind of set it up that way to try to kill the power. Because we know this is faster than the 5.0. 2.7 liter engine. Now I'm looking to change my torque converter by Circle D. I got this messy. Circle D. That's gonna be the next duo. Can I open this? Ugh, shit. We got so much crap in here. Circle D. We got the torque converter right there. As soon as I put that bad boy in, I'm gonna be looking for some demons because I already destroyed red eyes. Hellcat red eye, Shelby, Super Snake. I destroy all those, man. I can give you guys some insight on some tips, and you will be running a lot faster. See you on the next one. Hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It will help build my channel, and I can give you a lot of secrets.